I grew up in Miami, and then I went to school in Boston, and I lived outside D.C. I have more interesting memories living in Minnesota than I do in the previous 10 years. My name is Jim, and I live in Duluth, Minnesota. I am the Vice President of Engineering at Cirrus Aircraft. We are the industry leader in general aviation. First and foremost, I am a husband, I'm a dad, I'm a pilot, I'm a sailor, I'm a boat builder. I leave home without our trusty baler to bail the water out with, and I'm an outdoor activities guy. I'm a hobbyist, and I like all sorts of things where I construct things with my hands. Over the years, just building different airplanes and flying them, and then not sure what to do with them after I'm done flying them. Something about the science of flying that really just intrigues me. When I'm flying, there's a sense of freedom, but there's a skill, and there is an art, but the science is really interesting. I'm a second-generation aerospace engineer. I owe it to my dad. He was a Navy fighter pilot. I was exposed to flying and sailing through him.
Moving to Minnesota really opened my eyes to the Midwest. Everyone is so down to earth, kind, welcoming. Still haven't figured out what ope and oofta mean.
I have a even deeper appreciation for the outdoors and the environment.
Jim and I love exploring hikes.
Within a half-hour drive of my house, I can do so many different activities any time of the year that I want. I'm a really bad astronomer, but Corinne is really into the Northern Lights. She has the app.
When the percentage is high, Jim and I go chase them.
And we have seen the most outrageous Northern Lights 10 minutes from here. Since we've moved here, we've done a lot of things that if you had asked me 10 years ago if I've ever done, I would have been like, nope. This place is about opportunity to do stuff. Our kids have said to us since we moved to Minnesota, we are far more active in Minnesota than we've ever been anywhere else we've ever lived. When I'm sailing, I feel a sense of freedom that I wouldn't have otherwise. I couldn't be happier. There's something about being on the boat that just absolutely touches my soul. I'm in my happy place. I feel like that's something that I just have never experienced anywhere but here.